Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 59 of chapter 10, section 3. Find the slope of the tangent line to the given polar curve at the point specified by the value of theta or equal to cosine of 2 theta with theta equal to pi by 4. Note, the given equation is a polar curve. We have dy by dx in parametric form is dy by d theta over dx by d theta. So we have to write x and y in terms of theta. So x equal to r cosine theta, y equal to r sine theta in polar form. As r in this case is cosine of 2 theta, so we can substitute r equal to cosine 2 theta, then it becomes x equal to cosine 2 theta cosine theta, y equal to cosine 2 theta times sine theta. So each one can be differentiated now with respect to theta using product rule. So we'll take x equal to cosine of 2 theta times cosine theta and differentiate with respect to theta. Its product, so it is u times v prime plus v times u prime. So that way we get negative cosine 2 theta sine theta and negative 2 sine 2 theta cosine of theta. Same way we will determine derivative of y with respect to theta. Y is cosine 2 theta times sine theta. Apply product rule here. Dy by d theta equal to u, which is cosine 2 theta, times derivative of sine theta, which is cosine theta, plus sine theta times derivative of cosine 2 theta, which is negative 2 sine of 2 theta. So we get cosine of 2 theta times cosine theta minus 2 sine theta sine of 2 theta. We are asked to find out the slope of the tangent line at the specific point, which is theta equal to pi by 4. So we will find out dx by d theta at theta equal to pi by 4, which will be negative cosine 2 times pi by 4, that will be pi by 2 sine of pi by 4 minus 2 times sine of 2 times pi by 4, that is pi by 2 times cosine of pi by 4. As cosine pi by 2 is 0, the first term will be 0. Second term is negative 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1. Cosine pi by 4 is 1 over square root of 2. So it is simply negative square root of 2. Then for this part, dy by d theta need to be evaluated at theta equal to pi by 4 as well. So it's cosine of 2 times pi by 4, which is cosine of pi by 2, then cosine of pi by 4 minus 2 sine pi by 4 times sine pi by 2. 2 times pi by 4, that will give us pi by 2. Because of the presence of cosine pi by 2 being 0, the first term will be 0. The second term is negative 2 times sine pi by 4, which is 1 over radical 2, sine pi by 2, which is 1. So it is again negative root of 2. So we get, going back to this step where we have the formula for dy by dx, which is dy by d theta over dx by d theta. So we get dy by dx, which is negative root of 2 over negative root of 2. Dy by d theta, the numerator is negative root of 2. Denominator is also negative root of 2. So it turns out to be 1. So the slope of the tangent line for the polar curve given is equal to 1. Hope this video helps.